that if you wanted an arrow to work well, the arrow had to have a tip on it. So usually there was a stick of wood. And the stick of wood by itself would fly a little ways and then kind of tumble in the air and fall down. I discovered if you put a rock arrow tip on it, and then held it on with some string and some glue, that it would fly a little bit better. So it's kind of heavy on the tip and the arrow shaft would follow the tip. And then the key thing was, for them, if you put something on the back, it would fly a lot straighter than before. So Jack and Jill would say, I'm really hungry. I want a chocolate bar. And the snake would say, the purple python would say, okay, sir, we'll get you a chocolate bar. And the purple python would dive down into the water and go to the chocolate bar store and buy one for Jack and Jill and bring it back. Now it's got glue coming out of its nose. And can you see the glue? It's drooling out like a big old booger. See, we know there's glue in there because it's drooling. When it drools just right, so it looks like the end of a bullet, we're going to dip it in a bucket of water. See what shape it is now.
Bullet shape.
It's kind of bullet shaped. Oh, oh, oh.
But without holding the black straw.
Okay, so the black straw can slide? Okay. So for our first experiment, you're going to make some straws. And get some skinny straws. And blow them around. But since there's a lot of people here, you might accidentally get a straw go right in your eye. And you go, oh man, that really hurts. Yeah, so we're going to use safety goggles. Come over here and pick one of the colorful straws, one of the skinny ones, and one of each of the fat ones. So you can shape that any way you like it. It's the weight that makes it black. For this experiment, you need a balloon and a tube. And you'll set the tube on the table.
No, I don't get.
And then you'll take a balloon and stick at least 2 fingers inside of it. More is better. And you go squish, squish, squish. And you make your fingers crawl inside until you are trapped. And you stretch the balloon and put it over the pipe. Like that.
I'm gonna do good.
Now you've got a balloon on a pipe. What possible good could this be? But I'm going to pull on the balloon. I don't really have to grab the straw at all. I'm just going to pull on the balloon way back, and then I'm going to let go. What do you think it's going to do?
Fire.
Bounce up into the air.
Fire away.
Okay, watch up there.
Oh,
Yes.
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 So, we're going to do these outside because I don't want a bunch of holes in my ceiling.
Oh,